Okay, hello. I think we'll leave the audio there. Today I will be programming the RLC-3 repeater controller. It is very noisy down here currently due to the air conditioner right next to me. We will go ahead and get, that's a huge window. We'll go ahead and get putty open. And we'll just put it there. Alright, so here's putty. I don't know why OBS is doing this to me today. Alright, so we have putty. Now I'm going to push the restart button on the controller so that we can get a fresh restart.
Controller ready.
There you go. Alright. That's not a reset, that's just a restart of the controller. Now if I key it up.
Welcome to the KK7GKG system.
Now we're having some issues with it. We need to reprogram some of the stuff on it. I'm actually going to disconnect the link to All-Star. We will open our programming file. Alright, now that we have our programming file, we're going to open up the manual, because I might actually run the reset command so that we have a fresh restart. So that one command is let's see, 035.
Controller
There
ready.
you go.
Welcome to the KK7GKG.
Hope this restarts it. Alright, so now that we have that, I kind of want to initialize this. See, Appendix D. Appendix D is well, we mostly just need to fix the IDs because it'll ID and it'll just say error. So you go 053-220. That is macro 22064-260. I believe 064 means send a voice command. I mean, I could try. Okay, so 036 might be our thing. Hold up.
Error 201.
Okay, well, 526. Oh my.
M220.
We screwed that up. 055-2.
Error 200.
055-220. So that erases the macro.
220.
Alright, so N053-220 064 260 526 48. Oh, I messed it up.
Error 210.
So the thing about using serials, it sucks. 053-220-064 260 526 487 476 041 041 007 037 041 037 411.
M220.
Alright. Now we need to do 053 228 064 260 041 041 007 037 041 037.
M228.
We could just send it Morse code, but it, like, when you interrupt the ID, it'll give you Morse code. We could send it that way instead of having voice, but I like the voice stuff. Well, I forgot to do for macro 228. I forgot to erase that. Yeah, we're fine. 236 064 260 041 041. Oh man, that's crazy. 055 236. Erase it.
M236.
Alright, 053 236 064 260 041 041 007 037 041 037.
M236.
I hate how OBS does this. There. OBS. No. Why? Alright. So now that we've done that, I'm using a Microsoft Surface to record this. I'm using another Microsoft Surface, a different one, to pull up my code. 224 064 260. This one is, you know what, we'll do the same. 041 041 007 037 041 037.
M224.
Alright, this one is 053 252 064 260 041 041 007 037 041 037.
M252.
Alright, this last one is the impolite ID, which is 053 260 030 2020 07 16 2016.
M260.
So if we go 061 and we send 041 041 007 037 041 037. Oh,
Error 210.
yep, that's wrong. Oh, 061 041 041 007 037 041 037.
Error 210.
Hold up.
Error 201.
What was it?
Error 200. Error 200.
What was it? Zero. Is it send of command 064?
Error 201.
I cannot remember. That is so stupid. Let's see. Looking through over here. 036. Okay. So we do 036 041 041 007 037 041 037.
K7 T.
Perfect. Alright. So now, if I restart the controller again by pressing the restart button.
Controller ready.
Alright.
Welcome to the KK7TKT repeater.
Alright, perfect. Now if we restart it one time,
Controller ready.
key up,
Welcome.
then interrupt it. Perfect. Alright. That's that. Now, I think that's all I needed to do right now. Let's see. If I disable the repeater,
Error 210 connect 111 on.
hello, 111 on, what? Huh?
Error 210 connect 111 on.
Okay, you know, try disabling it. There you go. Alright, repeater's disabled.
Error 210.
Alright, so it's back on.
111 on.
That's so weird that it does that. We'll try connecting the port 2.
Link 2.
Okay, whatever.
Link 2 off. No connect 1 2.
Okay, so stuff is working. Partly. We need to fix that. Not in this session, though. It's already been 12 minutes and I've gotten basically nowhere. Okay, so stuff is working. We'll connect to All-Star.
Link 4 on. Connect 1 4.
Alright, so... well, we need to change the hang time first on one of them. Which, let's see, command N2020 is program a selected timer. Let's see, what timer is the hang time? Where are all the timers? Where? Oh, no, that's courtesy beeps. Timers, 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 timers. Where are the timers? There we are. Alright. Well, we need timer 16. We are so past. Alright, timer 16. Alright. So now we need to do 020 016. Oh, that's
200 count 0.
okay. So there's a 2-second hang time on that. 020 018. What is the hang time
Timer 18. 200 count 0.
on? Okay, so try to connect.
Link 3 on.
I disconnected the RF link. I did not that's funny. I did not disconnect All-Star. I disconnected the RF link. That's funny. People on the link system are gonna be like, oh my gosh, why are so many keying up so many times? That's funny. That's really funny. Okay, that's disconnected now. Alright, the link, keyed, and now unkeys. Alright, so how do I change this? 020 0180.
Timer 18 0.
Okay, so it unkeys as soon as it. Okay, that's perfect. Now we need to change the courtesy beep on port 2. So when you go 00022, because 22 is going to become a repeater. Now we need to change the courtesy beep on port 2. If I can remember how to do that. Beep beep, where's the courtesy tone? Alright, courtesy beeps. Slot 268 is port 1's courtesy beep macro. So I need 055 269
269.
Alright, so we need to do 056 26. Oh, father.
Error 201.
Father, help me. 056 269 040 020 000 0500.
M269.
Alright. Zero 41 port 1 needs to be courtesy tone if it's a repeater.
1 off.
Alright. We're actually going to set the hang timer back. 02001618200.
Error 203. Timer 16 200 count 0. Timer 182.
And I screwed it up. 0201820.
Timer 182 0.
Zero 018 2.
Timer 18.
There you go.
200.
Alright, now, if I had a radio with me, which I don't, it will just unplug the Kenwood repeater from port 1, plug it into port 2, well, we need to switch the COR and that stuff settings on it, so pull the controller out of its casing and push. Alright. Okay, so that works. Now I need to grab this. Ow. My knee. Put it back there. Now I need to take the controller back out because I flipped the COS settings. Perfect. Alright, we're still working? We're still working. Alright. So, that is the end of programming the controller for part 1. It's an RLC-3 repeater controller. The original one was a Raspberry Pi, and then we tried to use an RCOM controller. The RCOM controller's in my hands right now, except the RCOM's having audio issues. So, took it out, and now we're using the RLC controller. So, I don't know what to do with the RCOM controller. If you know, or if anything, if maybe how to fix it or something, reach out to me. But anyway, this is KK7 GKG on the KK7 GKG repeater.
Repeater.
Thank you for watching. See ya.